Decentralization is the key to freeing humanity from governments and their money printing machine. In this way, cryptocurrencies can be the new global revolution. Every cryptocurrency wants to contribute to this revolution in some way. But in this channel, we look at one of the most special ones, named XRP. Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Marker. We are here with another video about XRP. Let's start with the good news for XRP community. Developers working on the XRP Ledger, the native network of the XRP token, have recently unveiled a new cross-chain bridge proposal that Ripple's Vice President of Strategy of Operations said could significantly expand its potential use cases. In this proposal, a cross-chain transfer is not a single transaction. The GitHub draft details. It occurs on two chains, requires multiple transactions, and involves an additional server type called a witness. If a cross-chain bridge is implemented for XRP Ledger, the blockchain will join numerous networks that leverage this technology, including Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, and others. The proposed design by XRP Ledger developers includes a new server type, 3 new ledger objects, and 8 new transactions. The summary also describes a method to prevent the same assets from being grabbed multiple times. Mayuka Vadari, a software engineer and RippleX developer, shared the proposal on social media. We just published an official XRP Ledger Standards spec for cross-chain bridges, Vadari said. Check it out and let me know if you have any thoughts. The cross-chain idea follows the push to create an Ethereum Virtual Machine sidechain in October that is compatible with the XRP Ledger and Ripple transaction protocol. As you may know, guys, cross-chain bridges have become increasingly important as the blockchain ecosystem has grown and diversified. The ability to move assets and data between different blockchains has opened up new possibilities for decentralized applications and has created new opportunities for investors and traders. One of the key benefits of cross-chain bridges is that they allow developers to leverage the unique features of different blockchains. For example, one blockchain might be faster and more scalable, while another might have better privacy features. By connecting these blockchains through a bridge, developers can combine these features to create more powerful and flexible applications, while allowing users to seamlessly move their assets from one chain to another and boosting interoperability. But hold on guys, we have already talked about its benefits. Let's take a look at the downside as well. Cross-chain bridges also come with some risks. The process of transferring assets between blockchains can be complex, and there is always the possibility of bugs or vulnerabilities in the bridge code. Additionally, the use of third-party witnesses to verify cross-chain transfers can create additional centralization risks. Vulnerabilities in cross-chain bridge protocols have emerged as a top security risk. Cross-chain bridge hacks have become something of a menace for the crypto industry, especially the decentralized finance space. According to a report by blockchain analytics firm Chainalysis, nearly $2 billion have been lost to cross-chain bridge hacks. The bulk of these hacks was perpetrated last year, where attacks on bridges accounted for 69% of total funds stolen throughout the year. Well, it's not the whole story. Undoubtedly, Ripple has solutions for this dark side. Let me remind you that last year, Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, David Schwartz, said that the XRP Ledger supports native NFTs thanks to the XLS20 standard. The XLS20 standard makes the creation of NFTs on the XRP Ledger very compact and efficient, reducing any negative impact on the XRP Ledger's performance and avoiding congestion at scale. According to Ripple's CTO, the standard has already been enabled on the mainnet and presents a considerable milestone for developers and builders utilizing the XRP Ledger for their NFT projects and apps. In a recent tweet, the Ripple X engineer addressed concerns regarding the security of the proposed cross-chain bridge in the event of a hack. When asked about the security of funds in case a bridge hack takes place, Vadari revealed that the team had spent a lot of time thinking about security and dedicated a whole section of the spec to this issue. Furthermore, the Ripple X developer also entertained the idea of a hackathon for the bridge in the interest of bridge security. The team is reportedly looking into an independent security audit as well. According to the proposal, the cross-chain bridge will use a single list, which will allow emergency actions such as transferring funds during a hack. Let me say, they truly make a difference here. Well, keep working on it, dear Ripple X development team. What are your ideas on the potential impact of a cross-chain bridge for the XRP Ledger network and the wider blockchain ecosystem? Share with us your thoughts in the comments. And thanks, my friends, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos to know more about XRP and Ripple.